Hello, business owners. Today we are looking at video number 3, and this is going to have to do with the customer journey that you want your potential customers to take. So this customer journey is what we're going to kind of walk through today. We're going to set you up so that you have this scenario. Now you can set up your customer journey because the customer journey that I have in my business might be totally different than the journey that you are looking at building for your business. So this is just going to give you a plain basic customer journey where someone becomes, number one, aware that they need whatever it is that you're promoting. And then we're going to, set up this lead generation system. Hopefully, you will also experience someone that makes a purchase, several people that make a purchase, because this lead generation system is going to do its job to generate that know, like, and trust factor that we talked about in the previous video. So once that know, like, and trust factor has been established, hopefully people will, more and more people start to make purchases. And then once someone buys from you, that is just the beginning of the process, right? So we go through awareness and lead generation as precursors to reaching our ultimate goal, and that is to generate sales. But once someone buys from you, that's the beginning of the story. So you want a way, and your lead generation system is going to give you a way to follow up with people who have bought from you, right? And so you're going to be following up with people who have bought from you, and you're also going to be following up with leads. Now, this last process has to do with repeat purchases. So you want your system to also work to help you get those repeat purchases. So this lead generation system really has the ability to influence a lot of areas of your business. Now, as I said before, you can set this up in any way that you would like, but this is what we're going to be trying to strive for when we go into the back end of WordPress and we set up your system. We're going to be striving for this particular flow. So in the beginning, someone may be aware. They have to, number one, be aware that they need your product or service. And so when someone is aware that they need your product or service, they're going to do a couple of different things. They may ask their friends and family for a recommendation. Depending on what the issue is and what they need, they may, seek the advice of their friends and people in their network. The other thing that most people do when they have a want or a need or a requirement or an emergency or something that lets them know, hey, I need product XYZ, or I need something that helps me with problem XYZ. They get on their phone and they do a Google search, right? And so, as I said in the previous video, there are people out there right now, unless you have some kind of, really unique product or service, there are people out there right now who are doing a Google search for what you have to offer. The goal is to help you make more connections with those folks who are, actively looking for what you have to offer. So people are doing a Google search, and they can find you in a number of different ways, either in the search results. If you set your business up so that you are optimized for SEO, people may find you on Google. They may find you on social media. Your friends and family may make a recommendation if they've used your business in the past. So a lot of ways that people can find you. But they first have to be aware that they have an issue. So once that happens, then this is where your lead generation system is going to come in, because if they do that Google search and you come up in the search, you want people who land on your site to be able to take that next step. And the next step is what we're going to help you to build out. So this lead generation system is really going to help you in so many different ways. And that is what we want to show you how to do. Now, this is going to be a template. So you can go out to Canva. You can, if you don't have a Canva account, you can set up a free Canva account, and we'll put a link below this video so that you can go out and you can change this template up and make it, however you would like it. You can put whatever steps in. that you want. You can change the colors. You can take my logo off and put your logo on. However you want to do this, and you can just change it up to what you need for your particular business. So this download will be available for you. Below this video somewhere, there will be a button that you can click on to access it. And that's gonna, make it a lot easier for you to map out your customer journey. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.